Welcome to Maika Kids channel. Today we will explore the wild boar, one of nature's most powerful and untamed creatures. Wild boars belong to the Suidae family, known for their strong and muscular bodies. They range in length from 90 to 200 centimeters and can weigh between 50 to 200 kilograms, depending on their species and habitat. Their thick coat, typically grayish-black or brown, allows them to blend in seamlessly with dense forests. Wild boars are especially recognized for their long, curved tusks, which serve not only as formidable weapons for self-defense, but also as tools for digging and foraging. Wild boars live in groups called sounders, usually consisting of a dominant male, females, and their offspring. They exhibit a complex social structure and thrive in various environments, from forests and swamps to grasslands. Their adaptability to harsh conditions and diverse terrains makes them one of the most resilient wild animals. As omnivores, wild boars have a varied diet that includes roots, tubers, fruits, insects, and even small animals. Their foraging habits and survival skills enable them to endure challenging environments, highlighting their strength in the wild. Wild boars play a crucial role in their ecosystems. As they forage for food, they aerate the soil, enhancing its fertility and promoting plant growth. Additionally, they help regulate the population of certain animals and plants, maintaining ecological balance in their habitat. While wild boars are common and highly adaptable, they still face significant challenges, such as habitat loss due to human development, illegal hunting, and conflicts with humans. Conservation efforts are underway to protect wild boar populations, including preserving primary forests and regulating hunting practices.